Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by choosing 3 concrete priorities and assigning each a focused block of time. This is the first real action. Once done, set a visible timer for 25-50 minutes and disable phone notifications so you don't drift. Make sure to gather the minimal tools: a notebook, a calendar slot, and a single clear goal. This removes ambiguity and gets momentum. Do not spend time deciding software or settings. Start a block now and learn by doing. Once you have a block started, sustain momentum by using cycles of focused work followed by short breaks. This keeps attention sharp and avoids burnout. You should track progress visibly. Mark one completed subtask at the end of each block so you can measure forward motion. Make sure to batch similar tasks together because grouping reduces time lost to context switching, and reorganize midday if energy dips. If a task becomes complex, break it into 10-15-minute micro steps and continue. You end each session by reviewing what you completed and capturing 3 quick lessons so the next session starts stronger. Once done, set one clear priority for tomorrow and close unrelated tabs or tasks to reset cognitive load. If you find yourself stuck or spinning, use the 10-minute rule. Commit to 10 minutes of restructuring, then either continue, delegate, or ask for help. This troubleshooting step prevents wasted hours and ensures you finish reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.